Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are preparing yam with Alefu stew. Don't go away, stay tuned. So I have peeled and washed my yam. I've added some water and some salt. I'll gently place it on fire and then cover it for it to get cooked. Please, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos from this channel. Now my yam is cooked, so I'll remove it and set it aside. I'll keep it in a place that it will still be soft and warm or hot so that we can enjoy it. Because after setting it aside, I'll now make my Alefu stew. So let's remove the yam first and then wash our Alefu or leafy vegetables and put that one too on fire. So this one has just cooked for 8 minutes. I didn't overcook it. I want it to still maintain some valuable nutrients. So I have just cooked it halfway. But I've seen that other people too cook it to become very soft. So I'm adding my cooking oil. This is used oil. I prepared stew and the oil was too much, so I had to scoop the excess oil, and that is what I'm using. So I have chopped onions, tomatoes and garlic, and I've just added it into my oil. I'll stir it and I'll go ahead to grind my Alefu and set it aside. So after grinding, I'll move ahead to add some blended chili pepper, that is the red and green chili pepper, with garlic and ginger. I've just added it, and then I'll add some fish powder, my maggi cube, and also my salt. I'll also be adding some all-purpose seasoning, but this is optional. If you want it to be a little spicy, you can add this big spices. So that is what I have just added, and I'll just stir everything together and let it boil or cook for 5 minutes before I add my Alefu. You can also use your contour for this type of stew making. Over here in the north, we always use the Alefu, but the contour is also available in the market. You can buy that one to replace the Alefu. So now you can see my yam is still very hot and soft because I preserved it in a flask that will keep it hot. My stew too is done, so I'm just going to serve the yam with the stew. And this is how we do it over here. Everybody will get his or her food served. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time on this channel. Bye.